Hello, our topic is telecommunication technology and wireless devices. Now we will try to explain what is a telecommunication technology is.
Telecommunication is communication at a distance that operates using electrical signals or electric waves. Previously, telecommunication technologies were visual signals like beacons, smoke signals, semaphore, telegraph, and optical telegraphs, and so on. Here is a pre-modern telecommunications enabled audio message, such as encoded drum beats, light beeps, loud whistles. And of course, there is another types of telecommunications, that is electric and electromagnetic telecommunications, which include telegraph, telephone or teleprinter, radio, microwave transmission, and so on.
As all technologies, telecommunication technology has its own history. A long time ago, Africans used smoke like signals and drums to make loud and give signal. First semaphore systems emerged in Europe in 1790s, and in 1813s the electrical telecommunication systems started to appear. And as you know, Nikola Tesla and Guillermo Marconi begins revolution of wireless telecommunication in 90,000.
The basis telecommunications system consists of three main blocks that are always present in one form or another. The transmission media can be referred to as physical channels that transmit the signal. What is a receiver? A receiver is a receiver that receives a signal from a channel and converts it into useful information. Fixed line telecommunication has a point-to-point connection, because it operates between in one transmitter and one receiver. Radio communication via radio transmissions. They are called broadcast communications because it operates between one high power transmitter and numerous low power ones, but only works with sensitive radios. Next, telecommunications that have multiple transmitters or multiple receivers to work together for the same physical channel are called multiplex systems. Working with multiplexed systems reduces cost, and of course, multiplexing of the system is placed in telecommunication networks.
Telecommunication systems are important for our lives. People use telecommunication technologies every day. Most people wake up and immediately watch TV or listen to the radio. We live side by side with technology and have already got accustomed to it. All new information and the world situation we know thanks for telecommunication systems.
Engine system of telecommunication. Let's start with the telegraph and telephone. Telegraph and telephone and used several wires that were connected to several indicator needles. The first model was built in England by Sir Charles Manson and Sir William Fogerty. The electric telephone was invented in the 1870s. The second type, satellite or ComSat, is an artificial satellite which was sent into space. His goal has taken place in telecommunications. Modern satellites work with many of the orbits. Satellites provide microwave radio technology to record point service. Model cellular connection. The ancient mobile connection was restricted to official users. The concept of cellular communications was never true to become commercial available, but however technology has evolved and the astronomical growth of cellular radio and personal communication system, science and the growth rate of wireless services has been 50% per year.
We don't yet know what will happen in the future and what we will invent, but we can guess what technologies will appear in the future. Telecomputing has several implications. The first is that it should be tailored to the person at work or at home. And the next is telecommunication and telephony. All telephony will migrate to IP networks, and the voice telephone network as we know it is history. And the last one, residential telecommunications. Residential services will depend on high-speed internet access. High speed today is 100 kilobytes to 900 kilobytes. Of course, in the world we have different types of wireless communication devices like mobiles, but we have also cordless telephones, Z-by wireless technology, GPS, Wi-Fi, satellite television, and the wireless computer parts. Current wireless phones include 3 or 4G networks, and in modern life we have 5G, Bluetooth, and the Wi-Fi technologies.
It's over. Goodbye.